Hello YouTube and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So today I will do another tutorial on how to make a BlitzPlus program in BlitzBasic. So yeah, this is my second video on my new BlitzPlus tutorial series, video tutorial series, I should say. So this is gonna be a little tutorial on how to make one of those BlitzPlus programs, which are those ones that sort of like ask you like questions of something in particular. You'll see what I mean once I type the code. So yeah, let's get started. So this is gonna ask a question asking how old are you, and this question will ask if you're old enough to vote or not, vote for president or whatever or not. I apologize if I'm talking politics like that, but this is just an example, so just, yeah, this is just an example, so it's not really that big of a deal, but yeah. Anyway, enough rambling, let's get started. So this first part, I'm gonna type a comment saying demo 02-05.bb. Again, this part's optional. Test if you're old enough to vote. Press enter 2 times, and then type another comment saying find out how old the user is. Press enter, and then type the following. You type how old are you. Actually, put a space right there for a reason. Press enter. And again, most of these comments are optional, but I'm gonna type them anyway, so just to get a little heads up. That's all. This comment will say we'll say the following. There. If older than 18, print out confirmation that user is old enough to vote. Press enter. Then type if age greater sign equals 18, then press enter and press tab. Print you are legally old enough to vote. Press enter and type end if to end the if statement. Press enter and type delay 5000 to go over close the command prompt window in 5 seconds. So yeah. Alright, so now here's the alternative way. Actually, no, there is no alternative way. Never mind. Alright, so we have completed our BlitzPlus program. So we're gonna go up to File and click Save As, and then I'm gonna type. I'm gonna call this age.bb and click Save. And now let's test our program. You can either go up here and select Run, or you can press F5 on your keyboard. I'm gonna just go up here. Alright, it'll ask, how old are you? And you type 18. And there you go, you're legally old enough to vote. Alright, so that's how you make this type of BlitzPlus program in BlitzBasic. So if you like this video and found it helpful, then don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. That said, and as always, this is Every Tech Time. Goodbye.